Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple wallets on the SafePal app. This is useful if you want to manage more than one wallet from the same SafePal app. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the wallet option. Now you'll see your current wallet and the available wallet options. Tap on Add Wallet. Here you'll see multiple options, including Add Existing Wallet and Create New Wallet. Since we want to create another wallet, tap on Create New. Next, you'll be asked to enter your wallet password. Enter the required password and continue. After that, tap on Create Now. SafePal will now process your request and create the new wallet. Wait for the process to finish. Once the wallet has been created, SafePal may ask you to back up your wallet. If you want to back it up at this point, follow the on-screen instructions and securely store your recovery information. After completing the setup, go back to the home screen. Now tap on Wallet again. Here, you'll be able to see the newly created wallet along with your existing wallet. You can select the wallet you want to use and switch between them whenever needed. Remember, if you're creating a new wallet, make sure you properly back up its recovery information and keep it private. Never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple wallets on SafePal and manage them from the same app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, crypto guides, and tech tips.